Hi, my name is Ricardo Cabieses. I'm from Mexico, and this is my proposal for my project called SimFish. This is a project where we want to develop a fisheries management game where the player can make different decisions about the fishery. In this example that you can see on my screen, you will see a prototype of the game. In this case, we have only one player, and the player can make some catches of a species. The population of the species is related with a population model, and this is also related with climate model. So we can we want to relationate the climate change scenarios with the population distribution, in spatial distribution, and the number of the population. We want also to add some other species and relation it in a prey model. So we can simulate in a very easy approach the ecosystem. And in another layer of this game, we want to also add some economical decisions, so the fisherman can make some financial decisions, such as selling the different products, improve their ship or their gear, and even we want to give some illegal fishery options, so we can see the strategy of the decision making done by the player. In next stage, we want to add some artificial intelligence models to improve the policies of the game in relation to the rules of the game. So we are implementing a theory game approach to this game. Another feature that we want to implement in some next stage is the multiplayer option, so we can evaluate the problems such as common strategy scenarios, and also we want to connect these AI models to virtual players, so we can see which is the best way to manage these fisheries. Okay, so we can teach the community in a different approach to climate change scenario and how they can improve their resilience. This kind of games is an opportunity to share with the community their knowledge, so we can adopt the knowledge of the community to implement in the game, and we can teach them about the climate change scenarios and how their decision can impact the environment in a short amount of time. For example, here you might see a clock. It means a season clock, you can see the amount of money, the amount of catches, and how much fuel they have. In this game, this is just a prototype, but you can extinguish the fishes. I hope you enjoy this video, and see you later. Thank you. Any other information, you might send me an email to my cabieces@uabcs.mx. You might see in the comments of this video. So see you later. Thank you.